In this video, you will learn how to add a country code to phone number in Excel using quick and simple methods. Whether you want to add +92, +91, +44 or any other country code, this tutorial will show you the easiest formula and formatting tricks. If you have large data and if you do it manually, it will take a lot of your times and use this simple formula to add country code. Put the equal signs and double quote and then add the country code 92, and if you want to give space after country code, then hit the space bar and double quote and then ampersand and select the cell and hit enter. And here just will drag the fill handle and the results are in front of you. You can see that it's just a matter of few seconds. So there is another method. Type the 92 before the number and type number and hit enter to into the next cells and then press Ctrl E, and that's all. This is the flash fill, so you can see that the country code is added. So in this way you can easily enter country code before any number. So this is perfect for office work, data entry, Excel beginners and anyone handling large phone numbers lists. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips.